Good afternoon, this is Pat Walker, Mission Winners, doing a quick video rundown of the stocks we own, the VIPs own, why we own them, why we still own them, why we're letting them work. So let's take it from the top. We always look at the indices first. Dow Jones Industrial Average is a little sloppy here. Pretty ugly reversal bar here on heavy volume on Friday. Makes us a bit cautious, right? S&P 500, similar situation. Big down bar here on a pickup in volume. Makes us a little cautious, just got to watch it. And the NASDAQ comp, similar situation. Gaps up, closes near the lows, reversal bar. The trend's still up, okay? Let's not forget this, okay? The trend is still up, but there was a little bit of selling coming into Friday. So let's go through the stocks we own and why we own them. What do you say? Here we go. QLD, good entry, trends pay. Have sold some into strength, but note the trend up the 8 EMA. There you go. Apple, entry down here. Look at the trend up the 8 EMA. Folks, I'd like to take a close look. This stock hasn't closed below the 21 EMA for this entire trend. Trends pay. Things to remember. No place to buy it right now, but it's trending nicely. Continue onwards. Advanced Micro Devices, clean and simple basis entries, runs up, some sells into strength, okay, especially on this bar. Support on the 21-day, low volume. But again, the sells into strength up higher help us. We'll see what it can do. Google, clean and simple flat base, good volume on that bar, good igniting volume, lifting off the 8 EMA. There you go. And it's trending. Have sold some, in good shape. Support on the 21-day. Meta, entry, and trends pay. Have sold some into strength, in great shape. The key point is this. Note the trend. That's the key. Microsoft, clean and simple base entry, trending. Have sold some into strength, and it's working. I'm just pointing out what to look for, folks. If you can train your eyes and mind on what to look for, fundamentally and technically, you will be light years ahead of most investors. How to get in and then how to ride them and how to manage them. At Mission Winners, we teach both what to do. Tesla, clean and simple base entries, trendy. Look at this. I mean, we talked about this back here. This isn't a surprise, and it's working. Have sold some into strength, in good shape. Where's it going to go? I don't know. I don't know the future. I said this at the IBD meetups for 12 years. When we accept the fact that we don't know the future, we see the future more clearly. It allows us to react accordingly in the present. There's AI, entries, trend, and working. Have sold some into strength. We're in good shape. No matter what happens, we're going to make good money on it. That's it. Advanced Micro Devices, showing this again, VIP zoning. Amazon, entry, working. Some sells into strength, in good shape, price alerts set. Nothing fancy. Avgo, look at this. Is this sweep it to pie? Look at that base breakout right there. And off to the races. Good sells into strength. Then it lifted off here, and it's basing. Price alerts are set. Look at the walk up the 8 EMA. Isn't that neat? Let her work. See where it goes. BSY, clean and simple base entry. Look at the volume on this bar. I'm going to do something for everybody. A lot of people look at charts after the fact all the time. A perceptual bias can enter into our thought processes. Look at that. There's the base. All right, well, it's down on fairly heavy volume, and then it thrusts through. And note the volume, dramatically higher than the down volume. That means there was conviction from big money to buy. And look at the trend up the 8 EMA. This stock hasn't closed below the 8 EMA for this entire move. There you go. Trends pay. Let her work. Lock some in. CFLT, clean and simple base entry. Look at the volume breakout on that bar. CXM, there's tops right here. There's a cup and handle right here. Lift it up. Basing again right here. Price alerts are set. What do we want to see? Take out these tops. We'll buy more. We'll see what happens. DraftKings, good entry here. And then there's a base here. We've sold some into strength. Okay. It's just hovering here on the 21-day. I want to see it start to lift. Price alerts are set. If it starts to lose the lows of today, guess what? We'll lock in the rest of the profits. It's that simple. Just looking at daily charts. EXAS, clean and simple base. Look at the volume pickup. I always say this at the meetups. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks, right? Here we go. Oh, there's a base there. I guess if it takes that out with volume, that'd be a buy. Oh, gee whiz. Look at the volume pickup. There you go. And this is what it's doing. Not a huge move, but hey, if every stock we own did this, life's pretty good. There you go. Fix. Entry here, trending up, a little slower. Price alerts are set. If this starts to lose the 8 EMA, we'll sell more. If it keeps dropping, we'll sell the rest and lock in the profits. We will make money on this stock. That's a fact. We will. Greenbrick entry, working, little base right here. Needs to start pushing some more, okay? One slight concern, it fell on fairly heavy volume on Friday. You see this? Got to be cautious with this. IDCC, clean base breakout, right there. Trending, everything's fine. Just letting it work. Have sold some. KBH, clean and simple base. You can see over and over what I'm talking about. KLA 10 core, good base breakout. Look at this. Look at that base. Look at the volume on that bar. And boom, good sells into strength. Price alert set. We're in good shape. Continue onwards. Lam Research, clean and simple base breakout. Look at that. Is that, you know what I call that? That's sweet potato pie right there. We were waiting for that, watching it every day, and there you go. It's working. Have locked some profits in good shape. MHO, clean and simple base breakout here. We sold it when it dropped, then another one here. And it's trending. Have sold some. No matter what happens, we will make money. Microsoft, clean and simple base, working. You've seen this one already. Netflix, cup with a handle. Look at the volume pickup on this bar. I'll do something for everybody to train our eyes on what to look for. It's like, oh, it's just going sideways. It kind of looks like it's forming a cup, and this is a little handle, and I've noticed that the handle's dropped on low volume. I guess if it takes this out with volume, that'd be good. Gee whiz, I guess other people saw what we saw. There it is, and you're off to see the wizard. Just kidding. And it's working. Note the trend up the ADMA. Have sold some into strength, in good shape. NVIDIA, still trending. First buys on NVIDIA, folks, back here in January, down in here. We'll call it 150 to 155. And then more here at around 162. And note the trend. Walking up the 21 EMA. And still own it. Letting it work. Have sold some, in good shape. PGTI, entry right here. By the way, please note, I'm just trying to illustrate what to look for. Train our eyes and mind on what to look for. Clean and simple base, good volume breakout here, goes up, pulls back, a little bit of selling here, starting to pick up again. Won't do anything else with it because A, the market's kind of sloppy today, and B, there's no volume on it. So we just wait. We have patience. A lot of people think, oh, the market's open, I got to be doing something. Yeah, you know what we need to do? Practice good discipline and wait for good setups. That's it. Don't force trades. Don't force trades. PGTI, still working as I pointed out. Pulte Homes, clean and simple base entry here. Trending, sell, then go sideways, and then it lifts off again right through these tops. Volume pickup, there it is, and it's trending. Look at the trend up the ADMA. That's what we look for. And then finally, RCL, Royal Caribbean. Just moving, and it's just kind of sailing away. Okay, it's dad humor. Okay, it was just Father's Day, so give me a pass, please. But you can see the base, and it's working. I'll make this a little bigger so you can see it closer. Look at the volume pickup on that bar. I have it marked. And note the trend up the ADMA. Sold some into strength, in good shape. Anyway, that's what we have. That's what we have working for us and for the VIPs.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.